This smart pet brand, PETKIT, has already hit over $140 million in sales, reaching more than 40 countries and serving millions of pet families. But how did they make it happen? PETKIT was founded in 2013, right when wearable tech was booming. The Guo brothers, both hardware engineers, jumped on the trend and launched their first product, a smart pet wearable device. After that early success, PETKIT went global in 2017, focusing on smart feeders, water dispensers, and automatic litter boxes as their key products. A report from Future Market Insights says the global smart pet product market is expected to grow by 19.5% per year from 2024 to 2034, hitting nearly $6 billion by 2024. As tech evolves, so does how we care for pets. Being one of the first brands in the smart pet space, PETKIT's mission is to use technology to really understand pets and their needs. In 2021, they launched their Smart Litter Box on Indiegogo, which blew up, breaking records and raising over $1 million in just 2 months. This product helped them gain massive attention and grow across multiple channels. PETKIT also knows it's all about balance. Smart features are great, but nothing beats personal interaction with pets. Co-founder Shelley put it simply. The joy of having a pet comes from those personal moments, like feeding them by hand. That's why their smart feeders have manual buttons, and they even added cameras to capture live footage of pets eating. The lesson from PETKIT? Focus on what your customers need, build a brand they trust, and use standout products to break through in a competitive market. Follow us to learn more about e-commerce and ways to make success.